Oppenheimer's Mark Breidenbach describes the company as an overlooked innovator in the cancer diagnostic space. VolitionRx's shares are up sharply in afternoon trade. VolitionRx Ltd, NYSE, VNRX, is closing in on a blood-based diagnostic for colorectal cancer that could encourage more people to seek out testing for the cancer, according to Mark Breidenbach, a closely followed research analyst with Oppenheimer, who is initiating coverage of its stock with an Outperform rating and a $7 price target. The non-invasive nature of VolitionRx's blood test for colorectal cancer will make it popular compared to invasive colonoscopies, which are currently the most effective way to locate cancerous growths in the intestines. Breidenbach expects the next 12 months to be transformational for the Belgian-based VolitionRx, which is knee-deep in conducting the largest-ever colorectal cancer screening study in collaboration with the National Cancer Institute's Early Detection Research Network, with a cohort of over 13,500 subjects. Due to its non-invasive nature, we believe VolitionRx's blood-based diagnostic could improve screening compliance, and the company's innovative new Q platform has generated compelling early data in colorectal cancer research. Breidenbach wrote in a research note. Breidenbach describes the company as an overlooked innovator in the cancer diagnostic space. Read: VolitionRx boss praises strong progress in 2017, thinks new QTM panel could be new gold standard in cancer detection. VolitionRx's new Q platform looks for molecular signatures of cancer by focusing on nucleosomes in the blood. As cancer cells multiply, they are modified in a way that distinguishes them from healthy cells, and the traits of this malignant disease present on the nucleosomes, which are analyzed by new Q's platform. The early data from the NUQ screening panel suggests the company's screening method could be commercialized successfully if it is validated in bigger studies. Breidenbach sees the potential for VolitionRx to launch its cancer screen in Europe in the first half of next year, and to seek the approval of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in the U.S. via pre-market approval pathway to allow for the drug's introduction in the U.S. by 2021. Read: VolitionRx hails interim results of Danish trial for screening colorectal cancer, if new Q-based panels can achieve performance levels comparable to other non-invasive screening options, they could potentially be adopted as a standard frontline screening option, greatly expanding their market opportunity, concludes Breidenbach. VolitionRx were trading 7% higher to $2.40 in afternoon trade. Why invest in VolitionRx? Read more here. Register here to be notified of future VNRX company articles. View full VNRX profile. View profile. No investment advice. The company is a publisher. You understand and agree that no content published on this site constitutes a recommendation that any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, or investment strategy is suitable or advisable for any specific person. You understand that the company receives either monetary or securities compensation for our services. We stand to benefit from any volume this write-up may generate. You further understand that none of the information providers or their affiliates will advise you personally concerning the nature, potential, advisability, value or suitability of any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, investment strategy, or other matter. You understand that the site may contain opinions from time to time with regard to securities mentioned in other products, including company-related products, and that those opinions may be different from those obtained by using another product related to the company. You understand and agree that contributors may write about securities in which they or their firms have a position, and that they may trade such securities for their own account. In cases where the position is held at the time of publication and such position is known to the company, appropriate disclosure is made. However, you understand and agree that at the time of any transaction that you make, one or more contributors may have a position in the securities written about. You understand that price and other data is supplied by sources believed to be reliable, that the calculations herein are made using such data, and that neither such data nor such calculations are guaranteed by these sources, the company, the information providers or any other person or entity, and may not be complete or accurate. From time to time, reference may be made in our marketing materials to prior articles and opinions we have published. These references may be selective, may reference only a portion of an article or recommendation, and are likely not to be current. As markets change continuously, previously published information and data may not be current and should not be relied upon. Only registered members can add into watchlist. Register or log in, view full company profile. Why invest in VolitionRx? Read more here. Volition is a multinational life sciences company developing simple, easy-to-use blood-based cancer tests to accurately diagnose a range of cancers. The tests are based on the science of nucleosomics, which is the practice of identifying and measuring. Read more. Volition is a multinational life sciences company developing simple, easy-to-use blood-based cancer tests to accurately diagnose a range of cancers. The tests are based on the science of nucleosomics, which is the practice of identifying and measuring nucleosomes in the bloodstream or other bodily fluid, an indication that disease is present. Text Q1, very much a building quarter for VolitionRx with growing cash reserves. See more related videos.